Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School.
Ma'am, along with our esteemed DTO members, Ms. Abida ma'am and Measure sir, to please join us in God of Honor. We also request again our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Varis, who is Exceed Technical Team Member. The audience, you can see our students are leading towards the forwarding march past in the field, holding a flag of Hyderabad International School and a flag of peace and harmony, leading with the forwarding march past. They are heading towards the field, leading with all the dignitaries. It's a pride moment for HIS group of schools to have on one panel all our dignitaries, pillars of HIS group of schools. They have headed towards the field with forwarding march past. Along with our dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, we have our distinguished guests, honored talented directors. As we gather here today, we are reminded of the values that bring us together: teamwork, perseverance, and fair play. Now, it's time for flag hosting ceremony of school. Dear parents, please give a huge round of applause as flag hosting ceremony is going to take place.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and athletes, it's an honor today to declare the official opening of a sports meet for MP Boys Santosh Nagar branch. As the symbol of
International School. Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School.
शान वाला ये दरबार है इल्म का, इस जगह खास यार है इल्म का। चंद सूरज उगाती है इसकी जमीन, ये फलक मौसमी नार है इल्म का। शहर के स्कूलों में तू है नाम भर।
Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School.
We are really proud to have
Hyderabad International
School with the God of Honor.
में है प्यारे प्यारे यहाँ अहले दानिश उस्ताद सारे यहाँ। तालिबे इल्म है प्यारे प्यारे यहाँ अहले दानिश उस्ताद सारे यहाँ। है ज़मीं पर चमकते सितारे यहाँ।
International School. Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School.
May its flag inspire us to soar to new heights, to strive for excellence, and to embody the spirit of sportsmanship. Let the games begin. What an incredible sight it has been today. A round of applause for all our students who participated in the march past and God of Honor.
Now our students are leading ahead towards the stage with forwarding march past. School captain and vice captain is leading the school flag with forwarding march past. Then are all the dignitaries. In the panel we have our esteemed founder and chief executive officer Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, our esteemed co-founder and chief operating officer Mr. Mohammad Salman sir.
The energy is high and the steps in enthusiasm and confidence.
Leaders of HIS group of school, our esteemed director of Silver Branch Mr. Mohammad Ayub sir, Director of Chaturghat branch, Mr. Mohammad Ismail sir, Esteemed Director of Chandulal Bakari branch, Ms. Nausheen Zahid ma'am, along with our respected Director of Santosh Nagar branch, Mr. Mohammad Irfan sir, leading with all our honorable chief guests along with our respected DAs, Ms. Rashida ma'am and Uzma ma'am. Our students have headed towards the stage. Please, we request all the dignitaries to take the honor to enjoy the sports day.
To all the participants, thank you for making this such a spectacular moment. Your commitment, discipline and enthusiasm have set the tone for the day. And I have no doubt that we are going to have an exciting sports day ahead. Let's carry this energy forward and continue to support each other, cheering on every athlete and celebrating the true spirit of sportsmanship.
What an incredible sight it has been today. A round of applause for all our students who participated in this. The precision, discipline, enthusiasm which lead each group march today truly explain, and the dedication and the school script, the runs deep with each other of you. Let's continue carry this energy forward, cheering each other on as we embark on exciting competition ahead.
Tall and proud, representing their team with great honor. Notice their synchronized steps and impeccable postures. They are truly ready for what lies ahead. The energy is high as they step in with enthusiasm and confidence.
Our students are showcasing the result of last 1.5 months. What our teachers and entire team has done a lot of hard work to train these young talented champions. Now all the parents, you can see our students, our school captain, vice captain and all the council members are leading the march past with forwarding march past. Along with that vibrant colors, students are in the field. They are doing flat march on their positions.
They are now making the
What an incredible sight it's been today.
It's an honorable moment to see our students leading the march past with full discipline and showcasing the culture of HIS group of schools. Very well done, students.
The precision, discipline and enthusiasm with which each group marched today truly exemplified the dedication and school spirit. Let's continue to carry this energy forward. Keep moving, children.
and the march past comes to an and what a spectacular spirit it's been. Now all our teams are here standing shoulders to shoulders from the youngest student to the oldest sportsmanship. Let's give them a big round of applause. Parents, please appreciate them.
You have got this. March proud. Show your spirit. March on, little soldiers of HIS.
You all are shining star of HIS.
This is the result of their tireless practice since last 2 months. Now they are perfectly displaying the march past, which shows their dedication, discipline, and their synchronization on the drum beats. Very well done, students. You are doing really very well.
Excellent job, team. Keep it up. You're doing great. Keep marching. Pride and precision. Keep it going.
Help.
Let us cheer for them. Let us show our appreciation for the hard work and dedication of our students.
It's time for few stretching exercises. Our students are showcasing stretching exercises in the drill. Stretching is good for body, mind.
It helps our physical and mental activities. The march past is a testament to the power of teamwork, discipline, and determination. As the contingent march is a union, they inspire us with the dedication, perseverance, and passion. The contingent from the students is very high. The proudly represents
Excellent performance. Your precision and synchronization are impressive. We are all
well done, student. What a synchronizing movement. You all are doing amazing. Excellent.
Wow! What a formation!
What a sharp move they got.
Wonderful synchronization, boys. Please give a huge round of applause for our talented high school boys.
Great work out there at the field, boys. We are all so proud of you.
Oh, what a lovely performance.
Drum beats, they are understanding on each and every drum beat their exact moves, and quick movement shows their perfect coordination and practice they have done since last 2 months. We really appreciate the hard work of our all teachers and the entire team who have trained them so perfectly, and they are executing it so wonderfully. Fantastic, boys. You all are doing really very great.
With each step, the marchers demonstrate the training, coordination, and spirit to do as they execute in rhythm and the formation with precision. The march past is a spectacular display of the precision discipline.
We are proud of our students for their outstanding performance and sportsmanship during the march past. Let's get ready for the surprise. Here our children have got for us on the field.
Do you know what is surprise?
I'm really excited and looking forward for it. What do you think, Asma?
Let's see what is going to happen next.
Keep guessing, parents. Well done. Keep going, children.
Amazing, they are doing something.
Let's get ready for the ultimate display of teamwork and coordination. Our students are about to disclose the surprise.
A pride of praise rising before us, crafted from the synchronized step and united spirit of marches. The majestic structure embodies the strength, unity, and determination of our.
With a tricolor flag hanging high up in the sky.
Get ready for the unforgettable experience.
What a proud moment. Let's cheer for them up, everyone.
Wow, what a beautiful performance by them. Parents, please appreciate them.
Well done, young athletes. You all made us proud today.
A pyramid of pride and rise.
A huge round of applause to all the participants, captains, student councils for your outstanding synchronization and teamwork.
This team has been training for a month to perfect their routines, which include drill patterns and synchronized movement. Even I appreciate all the teachers who are working hard for it. What an amazing and eye-catching movement we have witnessed today. What do you say, Sabha?
Yes, they have amazed us with their teamwork and coordination. Lovely. Good going, children. Keep it up. Keep your spirits high.
What a beautiful act it was.
Keep going, children. It's amazing to watch you all from here.
This dedicated team has demonstrated exceptional teamwork. Now it's the moment we all are waiting for it.
Let's cheer for Hyderabad International School. Flag goes high up in the sky. Give a huge round of applause, audience.
It's a proud moment for everyone.
Let's cheer for Hyderabad International School.
MP boys of Santosh Nagar.
Well done, boys. What an incredible sight it is.
Hyderabad International School.
You have showcased precision, discipline, and enthusiasm.
What a wonderful cartwheel it was.
International School.
Keep going, boys.
Can you see the first
शान
place
वाला
standing?
ये दरबार है इल्म का इस जगह
Yes, lovely sight.
यार
Wow,
है
what
इल्म
beautiful
का
moment.
चंद
You are setting an
सूरज
example for
उगाती
physical
है
fitness,
इसकी ज़मीं
mental
ये
health,
फलक
and teamwork and coordination. What is coordination there?
Cheer them up, everyone. Give a huge round of applause for our young soldiers.
Parents, please appreciate them.
Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School.
Lovely work, children out there at the field. Keep going. Keep your spirits high. Now here the pyramid.
Their dazzling display of colors and precision. Watch as they are executing flawless drill patterns and patterns. What a beautiful performance. Everyone please appreciate it.
Huge round of applause. Let us all stand for the national anthem. Please rise up for the
Please
national
everyone
anthem.
give a standing ovation for the performance.
Hello. जनगण मन
Parents, I request you all to please
जय
stand on your places.
भारत भाग्य
Join for the national anthem to show your
विधाता
respect.
पंजाब
Parents, please stand on
सिंध
your places.
गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलति तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
The pyramid formation, a time-honored tradition that exemplifies the unity and the pride of our marches. This majestic formation is a testament to the dedication and hard work out there. We extend our sincerest appreciation to all the participants for their outstanding performance. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to the marchers and the teachers who are working hard and the tireless efforts.
Fantastic job, everyone out there. Your marching, your performance was impeccable. We are all so proud of you.
We are so grateful to the hard work and the passion that went in today's march past. We are overwhelmed with the pride and the gratitude for the exceptional display of talent. And today's March Past was truly unforgettable. Thank you for all the memories.
You all did an amazing job. Your hard work and dedication really paid off. Well done, children.
The success of this event would not be possible without the collective efforts of your March Past. Thank you, students.
Your teamwork, discipline and pride were truly evident during the march. Well done.
Now it's time to felicitate our honorable chief guest, Mr. Hazrat Allama Maulana Javed Aslam Naqshbandi Sahab and Hazrat Maulana Ali Muhammad Ghori Sahab by our esteemed co-founder and chief operating officer, Mr. Muhammad Salman sir. बहुत बहुत जज़ाकल्लाह खैर आपका कीमती वक्त देने के लिए सर. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आज के वक्त के लिए. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आप लोग आए सोकर और हमें वक्त दिए. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर. Thank you so much. Please audience give a huge round of applause. We also request our respected director of Santosh Nagar branch, Mr. Mohammad Irfan sir, to please join in the felicitation of our chief guest. And Mr. Mohammad Rizwan sir.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. I never Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. I never Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah,
After a wonderful performance, now let's move to the games. Let's begin our game after a short break. Now we have an update from our field host. Over to you, field host. Can you please let me which game is going on?